So in this video, we'll see how to develop UI, user interface, on Squareline Studio for Makerpad Pro. So here you can see application which you can download from official site of Squareline Studio and sign up for free use. And you can also check out their video, official video of 10 minutes, which is very interesting to watch to understand proper UI development. So our focus is to understand how to configure and set up Makerpad Pro files to use the UI file which is developed on this Squareline Studio. So we'll focus on that. So options are available like developing application as desktop, but we are interested in Arduino based UI development. So you can select and rename project Makerpad Pro UI project, and you can even select folder, separate folder created so that all files are available in that particular folder. Set resolution 480 by 320. Then our display supports 16-bit color, so you need to change that at 16-bit, and other thing keep as it is, create. So now folder is created and we can see some components added to the folder, and let's zoom in a little bit. So we'll just develop some basic UI. You can see this section is all about when you add widgets. So you can see those things are added here, and you can even rename if suppose it is temperature indicator, so you can rename. So for easy reference you can do that. Even add label, and to modify the value you can go Makerpad Pro UI, and you can change name, title. So just drag, change the screen background color so that it is properly visible. Okay, or maybe okay. Now controller section contains some button which you can add. So very easy, you can easily select and drag this thing. So very easy for development purpose, and even you can add sliders, and you can preset values of those as suppose 50, and you can set minimum maximum range. Even you can modify your indicator color, you can see. So even let's modify some button color also so that it is visible properly. You can simulate this by clicking on this run button. Now we are interested in exporting this file. So create template project into that folder. You can create. So once you create template, you can see Makerpad UI project folder is created. This is important section where we are going to mostly make the changes. So in UI file folder, you will see Arduino file, which you just have to open in Arduino IDE and then upload whatever file once our UI developed. And this library contains some supported files, LVGL and TFT-ESY. So what basically we need to do is So when you visit on this Makerpad Pro GitHub, software GitHub, so you can see library zip file is provided. In that particular folder, you will find two folders, TFT ESPy and FT6236. So this is display related, and this one FT is for touch controller. Okay, so it is already pre-configured and set up for use with Makerpad Pro. So just download and extract that file. Already I have downloaded. Okay, so just you have to copy this TFT ESPy file and go and change this folder, delete this one, and I have copied, so pasting whatever file is downloaded. Okay, so you don't have to worry about settings, internal settings. Basically you are required to make changes in user setup, so all that headache you don't have to do once you follow this step. Once that is done, you can come back and be ready here, and then you just have to now keep developing your UI. Once your UI is complete, then click on export UI files. So this will export whatever changes you have created here, and if you again do some changes, then again you just have to export UI file only. Don't have to create again and again template for your existing project. Okay, so once that is done, exported, now you can open Arduino. Okay, so now your file is ready to be uploaded, but make sure before uploading that your complete Arduino setup is done with support for Makerpad Pro by following this. So this is initial step which you need to follow, that is right from downloading Arduino IDE, then adding ESP32 board, and then selecting right version of ESP32, that is 1.0.5. if in your case it is not available, you can go for 1.0.6, so on which it is tested, and then you have to select right board. So right now you have to select ESP32 rover module. So now UI file is open in Arduino, and you have to select right board. Now comport is not available. For that you just have to connect Makerpad Pro. Now you can see comport. So whatever comport you get, you select, and when you try to upload, you will get some error. As you can see, LVGL.h, no directory found, because the default location reference section when you open in file, so default location it is seeing as document Arduino, that we need to change as per our. So the folder which you created for your Makerpad UI project, you can see library. So this file is what exactly this project will need. So location, this location we have to copy and paste here. Basically replace this link. So okay, now while uploading it will search for all these libraries. Now click upload and make sure that you have done the changes of TFT ESPy folder downloaded from our GitHub, Makerpad Pro software GitHub. So it will compile and will try to upload. Even you can keep that default Arduino folder. If you want that, you can copy all the files of this library. This file you can copy into default document library folder, but that will create confusion for your other projects. So basic recommended step is to maintain this as separate folder. So now it takes some time to compile. So now it is waiting for upload. So you just press boot button of Makerpad Pro and upload will start. And you can see your UI is available, same UI. Now suppose I make some little changes. I just want to change this background and simple, let's say we take this one. Okay, so now changes done, and this time you don't have to create again template. Just export the UI file and open that UI, change UI in Arduino. Same file will be open. You don't have to again and again open. Same file you can transfer. It will basically take all those library files. Changes are done into libraries, and then click on upload. Again, it takes some time, so you can wait for that, and once it begins uploading, we'll wait, then click on boot button. So waiting for boot button, press, and uploading started. So you can see same UI now available. So do make changes and develop your favorite UI and transfer to Makerpad Pro. That's it.